Today, I'm going to show you how to import products from Spocket to Shopify. If you're not familiar with Spocket, it's a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. This means that you can simply list products on your Shopify store, and Spocket will take care of the fulfillment for you. Importing products from Spocket to Shopify is a very simple process. I'll walk you through each step of the way. Step 1. Create a Spocket account. If you don't already have a Spocket account, you'll need to create one. This is a free process that only takes a few minutes. Step 2. Connect your Shopify store to Spocket. Once you have a Spocket account, you'll need to connect it to your Shopify store. This can be done by clicking on the Shopify tab in your Spocket dashboard. Step 3. Find products to import. Once you've connected your Shopify store to Spocket, you can start browsing for products to import. There are millions of products available on Spocket, so you're sure to find something that you'll love. Step 4. Import products to Shopify. Once you've found a product that you want to import, simply click on the Import button. This will add the product to your Shopify store. Step 5. Publish your products. Once you've imported your products, you'll need to publish them. This can be done by going to the Products page in your Shopify admin. Step 6. Set up your shipping settings. Once you've published your products, you'll need to set up your shipping settings. This will ensure that your customers receive their orders on time. Step 7. Set up your payment settings. Once you've set up your shipping settings, you'll need to set up your payment settings. This will ensure that you get paid for your orders. Step 8. Start selling. Once you've completed all of these steps, you're ready to start selling. That's all there is to it. Importing products from Spocket to Shopify is a very simple process. I hope this video has helped you learn how to do it. Thanks for watching.